ट्रैवलर्स, तो फिलहाल हम लोग हैं रणथंभौर नेशनल पार्क में एंड वी आर स्टेइंग एट द अर्थ एट रणथंभौर। यहाँ पर बहुत ही अलग अलग टाइप के रूम्स हैं, तो चलिए करते हैं एक और रूम का टूर और आपको दिखाते हैं कि आखिर ये प्रॉपर्टी स्टे करने के लिए रणथंभौर में बेस्ट क्यों है।
Yeah, so these, staircase, this is leading to a mezzanine floor, where we have kept a twin-size bed. When a family is traveling with a kid, or even if an adult is there, they can, go up on the mezzanine floor to. So now we are inside our second villa, which is called Vayu.
Vayu.
Yes.
So again, another
element of earth, yeah.
So this is different from Amber, actually,
Yes.
a little different.
So it is a more conventionally designed, villa.
A little modern touch
Yes,
to
yes.
the earthy
Yes.
vibe. Yeah.
Although हमने वही same curves वगैरह use करे, and this was built using the rammed earth technique.
Rammed earth.
Rammed earth technique.
So what is this technique?
So basically, it is keeping mud in an enclosed space and then ramming it to make it harder.
To make it
and then like moving about
up.
it. Yeah, moving up.
So again, कुछ और भी elements में देख रहे हो rooms में, जैसे कि lamps
Yes.
हैं और बहुत
So we
सारे
have gone again for these organic material like bamboo for making these light fixtures.
Yeah.
Then we have incorporated small element जैसे लालटेन राजस्थान में लोग देखना पसंद करते हैं. That too with a mud wall. तो हमने विला की एंट्रेंस जैसे आपने देखा एक लालटेन हमने यूज़ करा है फॉर लाइटिंग अप दी.
वहाँ पे बहुत सारे
जी 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 जी.
तो छोटे छोटे
एलिमेंट हमने करे, जो वही बात है वापस है कि एलिमेंट एक्सपीरियंस.
also is covered
Yes.
with wood.
Yes.
So, ये छोटे छोटे elements
I think that is what puts in some kind of soul into your whatever you are doing.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So again we have another floor on this.
Yes.
Right. So I think this villa is perfect for a family.
So this is perfect for maybe 4 adult or a couple with 2 kids.
Okay.
So I'll take you to the mezzanine floor.
Come.
So as I told you, in Vayu we have 2 twin beds on the mezzanine floor.
Okay.
So it is ideal for a bigger family.
Yeah. Parents,
Yes,
kids,
2
they also
kids,
get
yeah.
their own space.
Yeah.
So I think it is designed beautifully.
Thank you
and
so much.
The earth, as you said, is not, you're just not selling rooms, you're selling an experience. I have experienced it and I can bet for life that it has been a delightful and one of the most exquisite experiences
Thank you
of
so
my
much.
life. So if you want to experience ultimate Rajasthan, then come to the earth Ranthambore.